Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Monday.com Create Board, a comprehensive tutorial designed to get you started with creating your own customized board. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows you to manage your tasks, projects, and workflows in a flexible and intuitive way. To create a board, first log into your Monday.com account and click on the Boards tab. Then click the Create Board button. Choose a template that fits your needs or start from scratch. And give your board a name and description. The board is divided into groups and items, where groups are categories and items are individual tasks or projects. Customize your board by adding columns, which can be text, numbers, dates, or people. You can also add integrations with other apps and services, such as Google Drive or Trello. To add a column, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen and choose the type of column you want to add. Once you have set up your board, you can start adding items and assigning them to team members. You can also set deadlines, add files, and track progress. Use the dashboard to get an overview of your board and drill down into specific items for more details. Best practices for creating a board include keeping it simple and focused on a specific workflow or project. Use clear and concise naming conventions. And make sure to set up notifications and alerts to keep team members informed. Regularly review and update your board to ensure it remains relevant and effective. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized board that streamlines your workflow and helps you achieve your goals. With Monday.com, you can automate repetitive tasks, track progress, and collaborate with team members in real time. Start creating your board today and discover the power of Monday.com for yourself.